my name is Chinwe, Team Dr. PhysiQ Lagos, and you're welcome to the Wellness Expo 2026.
Hi, I'm Dr. Susana Adams, and I'm here, as promised, at the 2026 Wellness Expo. So join me here. I believe this is going to be amazing, fantastic. So I'm walking in now to get started, and I'll see you there. Stay connected physically or online, and looking forward to hanging out with you. See ya.
Please put your hands together for Dr. Susana.
Okay. So what is it about? Okay.
Yes, so our aim is to link patients with doctors, patients with hospitals, patients with pharmacists and diagnostic
Okay, so how
centers.
does it work?
So the idea is to make healthcare, access to healthcare easy
Okay.
without having to stress yourself.
So
with
it's
labels
an
and
e-health platform.
things. Yes. Also, we offer EMR services.
So what do you people do?
Home fragrances, ambience design. Beyond this,
Yes.
ambience design.
Okay.
We
Oh, you
advise them,
do?
like what they can do to enhance the space. for
Yes.
positive space.
Good.
So we can have a
Okay.
meeting, bring like samples, then you sort of.
Sage, I was your neighbor. In real life, I'm your neighbor.
I know, right?
So what do you do? How does your own work? So that I know who to refer to you and how we can better work together. Herbals?
Yeah, herbal.
Herbals.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then as well too, I do the spiritual part of using the herbs. So I'm very knowledgeable when it comes to the herbs, the spiritual aspect.